Alright, so I'm gonna do this just to show you guys how easy this is. So what I did was went onto my browser app and headed over to this coupon page right here. It's called Feel the Deals, and this is where I found the discount for my order. I typed it in just like that in my browser, and this is where I got the promo code. Okay, so once I was on their page, I noticed they had a ton of brands that they offered discounts for, so be sure to check out which ones they're sponsored with. Okay, now we can either scroll down and find it or go up here to the search bar and type in the brand that we want. Okay, and then at the bottom here, it'll show the logo that corresponds with the brand that I'm after. Okay, so I tapped on that, and now you'll see it has some little details about it and some savings tips. But what I went and did was go on down to the coupons and deal section. From here, it's gonna show the free shoes coupon that I want. So I went ahead and pressed the show code button. Now what this is going to do, it's going to show you part of the code, but as you guys can see, it's got these little hashes, so that means that the code is locked, and that's completely fine. Don't worry, we're going to unlock it. So what I went and did was press this unlock code button. Okay, now it's going to take me to this page to start the process, and it's going to say complete 2 of these from the list below to unlock the promo code. And now this is where we can press the free button on any one of these, whatever one's easier, just as long as 2 are completed. And then once I do that, I'm going to go back to Feel the Deals and the code should become unlocked. So it's literally that easy. It doesn't take too long and they offer a completely working promo code. Okay, I'm going to pick one of these just to show what it does. It redirects to the Google Play Store and it wants me to use the app and complete some tasks. Some are games that want me to reach a certain level, but I try to go for the easiest ones since they take the least amount of time. And guys, these are completely free, so they don't cost anything. I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be back to record the rest of the process after I do 2 of these apps. Okay guys, it should be all good to go. I just did 2 of the apps, followed the instructions. Here they are right here, completed with the given directions finished. So now that should register with Feel the Deals. And now since I've done those, I just have to go back to that coupon page in my browser and refresh it again. Okay, now I'm going to go back to search deals at the top, type in the brand again, and now it should be configured with those sponsor apps I just did, and now the promo code should be available. One time it didn't work, so I had to go back and do another app, but after that I did get it to reveal the discount, so just a heads up if that does happen. And there it is, guys. So there goes the fully unlocked code. It only works once. So now I can go ahead and copy this code I was given and put it in and redeem it for a credit. And this can be done more than once on Feel the Deals. This is already my 3rd code, but the same process has to be done to get a new code every time. And you can't just do the same apps over and over. You do have to do different ones. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you need any help, please drop a comment below. I can help you guys out. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.